Hey, alright, I'm back.
Still windy.
We're back.
A lot of leaves.
A lot of leaves.
It's been a...
Hey. I think it's for our friend Snake that we so lovingly...
Bonus! We need a bonus.
More tokens! It's not like we have enough of those! Yep!
Oh, hey. Just go right back. You can go right back and do the bonus again if you want. It's right there.
Oh, okay.
And this time you just gotta...
Just not die.
Yeah. Just gotta get
Whoa.
Good. Just like that. There is no better way you could have done that.
Tricksy little dragonflies. Oh, this is...
Oh, okay.
No.
Nice!
Thanks! I pride myself in,
Alright, we're gonna have to save state here for a while just because...
Yeah. It's quicker. That way we're not repeatedly doing the same thing over and over and over and over again.
Honestly, if you
I don't even.
Okay, you don't even. Oh no, we missed the
No! Oh, whatever.
Who cares? Oh, okay, my turn. Ugh. Just sit here. Like, kind of hurts a little bit. Whew. Oh, good, I got somebody. Oh, please. You got.
Okay, what do we got here?
Got treasure, and they're both gonna kill you. No. Oh my gosh. And one of them's a cannonball, I bet. No, get rid of it.
Throw that away.
Oh, yeah, now it just changes. Okay. Yeah.
Whew. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Woohoo! A wonderful thing that is. Save states.
Right, don't get cannonball. Oh, you gotta jump. And jump. Yeah! Okay, now one of these is a cannonball. Nope, you got the end. We got the on.
Yep.
Good.
That was the cannonball.
Yep. Oh, okay. No.
Oh, I see. Whew.
Yeah. And jump and watch out for cannon man.
Oh my goodness.
So. Oh yes.
Oh. Just
Just
why are you standing and
just sliding down.
staring into nothing?
I guess follow the trail.
Oh, hello. Oh, shoot.
Yeah. Maybe if you can get me up there again. Yep. And then
Yeah.
if we swap. Boop. Boop. No.
Woohoo! Whoa,
Oh.
whoa.
Oh. Okay, we're good. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Can I... Yay! No. Can I... Can I... Oh, okay, it's just... Yeah! Didn't get anything.
No.
Gusty. The parachute panic!
That just doesn't sound good. Oh dear.
No, that's me.
Oh, hello.
Oh, there's all, yeah, the blue squawks that only go down, or whatever, or...
Yep.
Did he cough?
Oop. No.
No, he didn't. So he's a normal parrot?
Yep.
Green parrots in DK land, you know, spit their children and are able to lift 2 monkeys with ease. Blue parrots, though. Those guys, just a little taste of reality.
Which is weird because, you know, in Mario World, Green Yoshi is just like the regular, and like Blue Yoshi's like, hey, I can fly.
Well, obviously, we're dealing with frog dinosaurs, which,
Yes.
I mean, honestly, don't even. Reality with frog dinosaurs. I mean, parrots. He's a real thing.
It's true.
What? Okay. Bees. Oh.
Many.
Could have had a bunch. Instead, I got one. Yeah! Halfway.
I was just about to say, it's a lot easier to navigate with this one than the other, as you run into a bee.
Hey, we got parachute. Back to parachute. Back to save states. What if we like miss him and then just like, oh, you can push down to go down faster.
Oh, okay. What?
N.
Oh, okay.
No, run!
Oh, that's the wrong way.
Oh, can you push up to slow your set too?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, neat.
Learning while we're doing it.
It's the German things. Perfect time.
Yes. Roll! Nice. Throw me up there.
There's definitely something up there.
No, just throw him up tilt. 2, 1. Parrot.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. G. No. It's the. Ugh. Don't get tempted by the no G's, because we don't have the O.
Yeah.
Alright. Nope. Go this way. Not get hit by that guy this time. Learning. N.
Okay.
Screw it. Keep going. That was close. Ooh, look at all this treasure! Oh.
Ugh.
Flap your wings. Get me in a safe state again. Just let me loose. Let me loose!
Oh.
No, what are you doing? Kill the beetles. There we go. More. Alright, we're gonna try the two barrel again. Go! Up! Nope. Yeah. Whoa! And down. Nice. See, this is probably the normalest looking beehive I've been, where, you know, they're all not trying to... they're just kind of, you know, hanging out, doing their thing, and...
Yep. Just acting like actual bees. Oh. That's just lame.
Let's see, can we jump over it? Is there the stuff? Ah! Look at that! Banana. Wait, go. Yeah.
There we go.
Well, lads, we're not gonna use because we have the power of emulators. Next time on Donkey Kong.
Next time, we continue to
To not Clovis Kiosk. We're going to Webwoods!
Webwoods!